The Elios 3 drone is not only meant for underground mining operations. It can also be used above ground and specifically within the processing plant. The use cases like the crusher, conveyor belts, ore bins, tanks, can also be inspected with this drone. Specific features like the 4K camera, thermal camera and the UT thickness measurement probe make it ideal for you to inspect all your above ground assets with drones in complete safety and with much more efficiency compared to traditional methods and traditional tools.